to CL200. And then ipoprogram namin yun by import and export. So, doon kami magbe-base kung ilan yung nakonsumo ni end user at saka yung hindi niya nakonsumo. So, doon lang po kami magbe-base kung ilan po yung na-export niya in our side. Doon din po namin i-compute kung magkano yung bill na mag-produce po. Ganun po yung sa bidirectional meter po namin in our side.
So, by that, on-grid or off-grid? Yun ang layman's term kasi. What do you call that?
Possible po is on-grid po siya. Kasi kung gusto ni end user na yun, maka-minus sa kanyang billing, alam niya na may excess siya sa production ng kanyang solar panel plantation, on-grid po yung system po natin. Pero pagka off-grid, hindi po siya nakakabit sa system. And alam niya na lahat ng kanyang na-produce sa kanyang solar plantation is kaya niyang i-consumo. Yun po, pwede niyang gawin off-grid yung system. Yes, sir. Exactly po. Yes, sir. Exactly. Yun lang po, sir.
Okay. Okay. With the explanation of our engineers from technical person from INE, dahil natatawa na iti biyang iti Bureau of Fire Protection na ako, no base namin kada ti GMC, awan namin makita ni Apo BFP nga guidelines to related to BFP. May we know, sir, no, at nagitay barong guidelines or advisory kada kayo with respect to this application of net metering, sir? Napakakit nyo, violate me iti guidelines, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, as of now, sir, awang guidelines na bagong simungkot ka na, sir. Noong ikot lang GMC 2018, di ba lang, 2021? The same one, sir. Nung may pang-dugdigi, sir, awang net may dedicated na ako pinakawawan mo, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, thank you, sir. So, with all the observations heard and noted, let us make a common ground that inaabulay ako.
Hello, sir. Press, good morning. I-require tayo kani press kung sumakit procedure tayo with a joint inspection ni distribution utilities in the office of the OBO, the joint inspection job to of net metering application. Kasi as per LGU Bata Press, isa i-require ko. Since in the last quarterly meeting tayo, nag-present the ERC, dapat joint ni distributed and utilities in building official or the office of the building official inspect prior to the application or DJ approval and JMS metering.
In our practice, we are doing it independently. Nag-inspect tayo, ng building official, nag-inspect tayo ng INEC, sabay nga i-tap na, na-probaran nga application. But nasya, no marami tayo di joint inspection. It's our option anyway. Building code, we are mandated to do our job. TINEC, they're also mandated by natin ba kayo? Perilo tayo? Inikan? Pwede mo na. So, Kasi engineer na questa. So, we are kastamot ni BFP, nag-inspect man by their own. But no, ang joint tayo, maya, the sweater. Yes.
Sir, may we request ti INEC nga pagunyan data yun no may para the joint inspection. It's the choice no kuan ni LGU no hayaan na nga isudalatan or maki-joint da. But no may da kumais, ma-inform da tayo no may da inspect para ni LGU no kaya na maki-joint inspection. No okay lang yung INEC. Kasi same with Bago, medyo nakaalak yung electrical engineer ko, the office mate. So, takpo, masursuro na, ang obra na, kaya takpo na saya at DJ. Kasi naminsan, na-question ko na DJ, medyo meter reading. Yung pala, right there and there, may program sila, may kinakalikot sila doon, pinapalitan yung, I don't know, ano pinapalitan, parang, no, legitimate, kilowatt hour, electric program na, so baka pwedeng join tayo with the LGU para naman ang puming, especially pag nagitay projects, government projects. Para kasi, like me, naka-solar din munisipyo din, kaya kung may monitor, kung may office lead. So, anything na gawin ko makadigijin ng metro, sometimes kung may dalamin ako, galgalawin dali talaga metro na ako abiso iti LGU. So, may request UNEC na mag-inspection, especially for government buildings, get a joint inspection. Anything na kalkalikutan na yun. Anyway, metro yung mag-DJ yun. Just for us to know. Kung ano nila. Baka makulang na lang kami sa bill. Sabi nakarap natin. Doon mo nalaman yung ano yung multiplier nyo na ang laki. May 40, may 40. Kaya nandito alam yung review ko, I reviewed the kasi nakatulog Metro Medieval na ang benbente, ang mga 30 ni Metro Medieval na. So at the multiplier na 40, at the multiplier 30, at the multiplier na 2. So para maawatan ni masuksumi no ano nagising ng multiplier. Kasi I am tasked to monitor no dapat lang talaga Sir BJ pinag-install ni solar panels the buildings ni. So para I will know no ano the future recommendation ko to the LGU, to the LCE no is it okay nag-solar kami sa the other buildings.